Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association or METTA, the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association or NEHUTA, and the Meghalaya Confederation for Academic Welfare or MECAW have expressed their concern over the proposed amendment of the Central University's Statute 282 by the Vice-Chancellor of NEHU, Professor K Srivastava, during the Academic Council to be held on 10th December 2020 to extend his term of office. This misuse of statutory power of the Vice-Chancellor for self-benefit does not only create a conflict of interests, but at the same time, it is untenable from the statutory perspective. Speaking to media persons today, the President of the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association, Dr. Lakhon Kumar, said that the university is opposed to the fact that a caretaker VC should not misuse such powers as would the Chancellor of the university.
Meghalaya Confederation for Academic Welfare, nakaliang juga Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association, buat kan NEHU Teachers Association, ngip yang subhay pilang kiperlok na kiperlok noktok kubor, na kubor berfair di badan ni na Shillong baganing state ni, kajingwan kajongi matang sengi hagani kacaka, kalong ban penpau ya kajing supersha, nakaliang kajongi ka MECAW harengkat kini hikai di badan naka METTA berkumjuru naka NEHUTA. Alor kajing kot jong new VC ubamenta jong ka NEHU, Professor K Srivastava, ya ka Academic Council lasai ka shpotrik umur lasai ka sengi. Ka Academic Council kadi kawe ni ki statutory body la ni ki board ki badan apo NEHU ki ban shime ki decision la ni ki rai ki fair. Katkum ka jing ai board jong president jong kari India badai visitor jong ka NEHU katkum ka NEHU act hadin ka jingkot no jong ka portrait kam jong new VC ubamenta lai por yo u bon beteng ya ka samoy trekam ka jong u tat hadu bandatung do VC ubatumai lane lada kolong babun ero hapo shisnam pakabamut balada hapo jong kanigi shisnam lada tung tumai yanu tau uniu VC ubamentaun haban ino ekakam but ka maximum limit buun bat kum VC ban extend ka term ka jong u ka de shisnam kata kalong katkum ka statutory act jong ka NEHU katkum ka statute 282.
Also speaking at the press conference, the President of the NEHU Teachers Association, NEHUTA, Professor Xavier P. Mao, said that the difference between a regular VC and an acting VC is that the former has every right to financial, administrative, and even statutory laws for the development of the university. On the other hand, an acting VC can only see to the routine activities for the smooth functioning of the university.
The difference between acting Vice-Chancellor and a regular Vice-Chancellor is that the regular Vice-Chancellor has the full power to do for the development of the university, including the financial power, administrative power, and even statutory power. But an acting Vice-Chancellor, his function is to take care of the routine matter in order that university does not come to a grinding halt. So in order that the university should normally run for day-to-day routine matter, for that acting Vice-Chancellor is there.
While speaking on the Academic Council, the convener of the Meghalaya Confederation for Academic Welfare MECAW, Dr. Roy Kupar Sunrem, said that the incumbent VC has called for a meeting of the Academic Council to take a decision on the amendment of Statute 282 of the Central University Act.
Why we have to come really public is we are really worried what's happening in NEHU right now, particularly with regard to two important issues that we are looking at. First being that this Vice Chancellor has been given an extension of 1 year or till a new VC has been appointed, and it could be within a month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe 4 months. Now we wonder that how can an acting VC, by sitting in a chair and chairing a meeting, trying to change the statutes of NEHU which are already approved by the Parliament, in order to benefit himself. And that's where the crux lies, and that's where the worry is. I think every right-thinking citizen of Meghalaya should be worried. I think if as teachers of NEHU, as non-teaching staff, as students, as a genuine citizen of Meghalaya, as parents, as aunties, as aunts, as brothers, sisters, I think everybody has a stake in NEHU. And hence, the playing around of this VC has gone to an extent that he has really defied all norms, including the second point that we are trying to stress, where the visitor has given him an extension of 1 year or till a new VC is appointed.